Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will show you a customized EPS cutting line for one of our customers from Europe. Loading station for vertical storage. At this station, the forklift places the EPS blocks on the chain, and they are conveyed until the two photoelectric sensors are detected. After the forklift restarts, the chain continues to convey the blocks to the flipping station. If no sensor detects a block, the conveyance pauses and waits for the next block. Hydraulic tilter station. The tilter can be flat, horizontal, or upright vertical, and it conveys EPS blocks to different photoelectric sensor positions based on its status for further processing. Alignment station for first phase cutting. Flipped EPS blocks are sent to the first section of the chain for alignment using photoelectric sensors and cylinders in preparation for horizontal cutting. First phase cutting station. When the block reaches the designated position, the horizontal cutting chain decelerates and the heating wire starts cutting. After the cutting is completed, the heating, fan, and vibration stop. Horizontal press down station. At this station, the head and tail of the EPS block are respectively pressed tightly by press-down roller to ensure stability and accuracy during the cutting process. Separation of bottom waste. The bottom waste is separated from the EPS block using a brush and then conveyed to the bottom crushing system. Second phase, cutting station. At the second phase, cutting station, the block is conveyed to the designated position for vertical cutting to remove the waste of both left and right sides. Third phase, cutting station. After a series of precise movements, the EPS block starts the third phase, cutting. Cut the EPS block from bottom to top. Bridge station. At this station, the bridge and conveying system work together to convey the cut EPS boards to the destacker station. Destacker station. Depending on the height and specifications of the EPS boards, the destacker station separates and prepares the EPS boards for four-side EPS packaging processing. Push plate station. This station prepares the EPS boards for the packaging process by pushing them into the four-side EPS package machine using a push plate chain. Four-side EPS packaging machine station. At this station, the EPS boards are packaged by the four-side EPS packaging machine with wrapping PE film. Stacking sorting station. This station is responsible for grouping and preparing the packaged EPS boards for stacking. Stacking station. The stacking robotic arm rotates and stacks the small EPS packaging layer by layer, and after completion, the completed big stacking are sent to the PE film wrapping machine. If the current batch order cannot form a complete stack, select a side function or a side physics button to send the big completed stacking directly to the end conveyor without PE warping. PE film wrapping machine station. At this station, the large packages after stacking are automatically wrapped, ready for storage or shipment. These stations together form the complete process of the EPS cutting line, ensuring high efficiency in production and high-quality products. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to ask. Your feedback is crucial to us. Thank you for your support and attention.